Hi friends, in this video I am showing you how to add two numbers by entering the values. Addition. First of all, we have to input a number and assign that number to a variable num1 equal to int input enter a number, then num2 equal to int input enter another number, sum equal to num1 plus num2. Then print the sum of within braces 0 and 1 is within braces 2, and we give the numbers here num1 dot format num1 num2 sum. Enter a number 10, then enter another number 20. The sum of 10 and 20 is 30. In this video, we use the format function for formatting this output. Thanks for watching this video.